Hey CamFam,
Welcome to Cambus News.
I'm Maddie.
And I'm Amanda. Let's talk safety.
First topic of the week is pedestrian safety and awareness. So now that it's getting warmer, a lot more people are going to be outside, so please watch out for people walking, jogging, and biking. We want to make sure that before we're taking turns, and we always take up the bike lane when we do that. We're going to be looking for bikes in there so we don't hit anybody.
Whenever you're driving on Hawkins, either towards the hub or away from the hub, try not to pull alongside another bus, whether that be an Iowa City bus or another Cam bus, just because those lanes are pretty tight and it's a little bit difficult to pass through safely. So just wait behind the other bus and wait for them to move, and then you can move at the same time. Just don't be right alongside one another.
Happy spring, CamFam. Woo! Today is the 19th, so it's the first official day of spring, which is exciting. As we all know, April showers bring May flowers, but it also brings a lot of puddles, especially in Iowa City, where we have like potholes and stuff like that we drive around. So please be aware of how fast you're going and where you're going if you're gonna hit those puddles, and just make sure you're not trying to splash pedestrians. That would be really sad, and just imagine yourself in their shoes.
These are crazy times, CamFam. So during our next few weeks of online classes, we will be running our interim service, which is the same as normal, just a few less routes. So don't worry about hours. Me and Brian got us covered. There should be plenty of hours for everybody to work. Just try to stay communicating with our supervisors and with me and Brian if you are going to be in Iowa City or if you're going to be leaving.
Yeah, if you want any other general university updates, please visit coronavirus.uiowa.edu.
Or if you're interested in the Center for Disease Control updates, be sure to check out cdc.gov.
Yes, and then with that, we're going to be having a lot of germs around us, which kind of stinks because it's inevitable. However, ways that you can kind of fight that and combat the spread of germs is social distancing. And if you do have to be in public, make sure you're sticking around like 6 feet away from everybody. So especially in the dispatch area where it can be kind of busy, make sure that you are not sticking in there for longer than you need to be. So in the dispatch area, it really should only be the dispatcher on duty and then also the backup. If you need to use a clipboard or something or sign on your shifts, please grab that clipboard and then exit the dispatch area into the lobby and fill that out there and then return it when you need to.
Hello, I'm here for my Hospital 3F.
Okay, I got you in.
Yeah, let's just all make sure we're staying clean, washing our hands. Try to wipe down the driver's area with the wipes on the bus before and after your shift. Only let passengers in through the back doors unless they need the bus lowered from the front doors, and just try to stay as hygienic and clean as you can.
Stay healthy. That's all.
That's all we got.
Mine went up.